Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for stepping by. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the notification bell. Thank you very much. As you can see, the rain is too much, so we are noticed that the breeze is too much. As we dey inside, we are feeling the rain, so I want to go and check. Me and my husband, we want to go and check the banana, plantain. So let's watch. Thank you very much. Hey, the rain is too much, too much. See, this one is still there. Okay, let's check others. Hey, Chineke. See.
Hello.
Hey.
Wow. The wind is too high. Oh.
So this plantain.
Anola, leave there.
As you can see, our plantain
This plantain. This plantain is
raining.
Viewers. This plantain is so many. It's not like the regular plantain.
Yes.
You see. Drop in the comment section. Tell us what they call this plantain in your language.
Yes.
This one you could see, it's not that fat.
Yes.
But it's many. So this is a small one. This is a bigger one. You can see, it's so big.
Yeah.
So let's take it out.
This plantain.
So much. Let's keep it here. Okay.
The rain is too much.
So viewers, this plantain is not the regular plantain. It has so much, it's so much, but it's not fat.
Yes.
So I was expecting it to get bigger, but this is how good it can be before the heavy storm came and it fell the plantain down. So like, follow me, like you could see. Viewers, like you could see, this is the regular plantain. You see, it's very, it's very big, but that one is very slim. It's very slim. So like you could see like this, because of the wind, you could see the rope. We use it to tie it. 3 of them, they are, this is one, this is the first one. Very, yes. This is the second. This is the third. Then we have another one here. So these are the regular plantain. You see, this is the regular plantain. But the one, there's another plantain here too. See, these are regular plantain. So, but I need to remove this ladder first. I use this ladder to support the plantain. But despite the plantain, you could see, please come and see the rope too. They are 2 together. You see? This is the rope. I use it to tie the two plantains together, you know, with the support of the ladder. But yet, the wind overwhelmed the plantain. So,
Kúrò lọ́nà náà.
so I'm going to keep this here. Oh, if not this ladder, the plantain would have gone to the other side. To the yes. So it's time to clear here a little bit. Okay.
Kíní ìbànú kọ́ ni wọ́n jẹ ni.
Huh?
Kíní ìkọ́ ni wọ́n jẹ ni. Tinú rẹ̀.
The Asians, they eat it too. Okay.
Na their food be that. Ọ̀rẹ́ àmàlè Bọ́lá tó kẹ̀ ni mo ti. Ẹ kúrò. Má lọ jábọ̀.
Okay.
Okay, let's.
Okay, look. You can tie this to so that next time when the wind comes, this one will have a support. This one will have a support. So, alright, so viewers, thank you for watching. This is how we do our first harvesting. The weather forced us to harvest. So, plantain. So viewers, this is the two plantain we got from our first harvest. We were not supposed to harvest it now, but because of the storm forced us to harvest it. So thank you. If you like this video, subscribe, thumbs up, and hit the notification bell, share and comment. Okay.